Yo, what's up guys? And in this video we're gonna talk about one of the private questions which come to each junior programmer. So in general, how much programmers make? And let's make in this point some sort of teaser, because you can create your own billion-dollar company and make $1 billion per second like Steve Jobs or someone else. Well, I guess big amount of you have tried to type in a YouTube search or a Google search how much does programmers make, and get such sort of results like 18k per month or 100k per month. In a YouTube, you I guess have watched this sort of videos where programmers which buy course from Udemy and go to the freelance and earning $10,000 per month. And I guess you were crying inside of you when you get such sort of big amount of money and such sort of big amount of zeros near with the one, and whether you are not at that point earning anything. I know how does it. Depending on my own experience, I wanted to tell you, don't believe on these numbers. No, any sort of programmer which learning how to code or in this industry during tens of years will not tell you the truth about that. I mean, you are a junior, but watching the senior programmer, while boss making the same mistake. We are watching the senior programmers, middle programmers, which are in this industry during the 10 years or even maybe 20 years. They're telling you this amount of money which they are earning. It's not about you. You have your own picture. You have your own way which you should build, which you should draw. Let's go to the real numbers. Think about it's real. $100,000 not per month from only your one order. It might start from even $0 because you need any sort of work, any case for your future customers and place where you want to work. Let me try to describe better what I mean and why these columns are so strange. Let's first from junior developer, which wanna earn from the first day $100k in but whether at that time he know only HTML, CSS and basic JavaScript. I'm not telling that your knowledge which you at that time have is so few, because each of knowledge which you have, and even if you don't have any sort of performance what is coding in general, you have to find your first work. You can ask me why, because even if you don't have any sort of performance, what is coding, what is HTML, CSS in general, and even don't know, going somewhere asking you to get like getting a job for only a practice, like you will just be a guy which ready to do anything, just let me be there, so that in this sort of amount of time you will ask anything you want from these programmers which are at that time working there and earning this amount of money which you cannot earn at that time. They are earning thousands of dollars, whether you cannot. I guess it's perfect formula for getting started. You don't have any sort of performance, you don't have any sort of imagination what that is, but start in this case. Whether you have a free teacher, you have a area for making a practice, and I guess it's perfect. If you're gonna give the same question to some sort of senior programmer which earns nearly 100k per month and have a bonus amount of money, he gonna answer you that money is not important and you should learn and again learn, and after that you will care about money, whether you will not just care about money. This is a very deep hole where you gonna just learn and live like a student for during tens of years. Maybe it might be take tens of years to get this point where you will not care about anything. You will just go to your work, earning your 300, 500 or even $1 million per month, and just go to your home and watch your anime till the end. It might be in this case, but whether in a 99% of situations it happened extremely in other way. Even if you have started learning how to code, you know, not even basic HTML, you have typesetted a lot of layouts in HTML, CSS, and even if and you may even know JavaScript, but you earn $0 per month. Whether this guy, which I give in the first example, earn his first $10, after in second month 20, in third 100, and in 4 months in fourth month he earned his first $1,000. Because when you are learning in practicing simultaneously, you are not learning from structurally. If you go somewhere to learn how to code, they will teach you structurally. Firstly HTML, after that CSS, after that the JavaScript, and after that is backend store. Whether when you are simultaneously working somewhere, they will teach you only necessary things which they are at that time using. Backend, frontend, secure system, data matter. They will teach you if you just ask them. Might be some downsides. I mean, there are a lot of downsides when you are simultaneously practicing, and here a lot of upsides too when you are learning structurally. You never will not start your programming career if you don't have any sort of job, or you should create job for yourself, making some sort of project, but earn simultaneously. Be ready for earning $0 for your first 6 months of coding, or even a year of coding. Because in order to become a middle programmer, you need 3/5 years of coding. And only after that period of time, you will feel yourself such good as possible. Not you will run after tech companies. They will follow you and wanna hire you for 100K, 15K, 1 million, whatever you want. But keep in mind that you can more than this amount of money whenever you are and who you are, doesn't matter. Thanks guys for being together with me such big amount of time. Peace.